Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Bank of America SWIFT codes. A SWIFT code, also known as a BIC, is an international bank identifier code. It is crucial for sending or receiving money across borders, ensuring your funds go to the right place. This code acts like an address for your bank in the global financial network, making international transfers smooth and secure. We will cover how to find and use these important codes effectively. Finding your Bank of America SWIFT code is straightforward. You can usually locate it by logging into your online banking account and navigating to the International Wire Transfer section. Another easy way is to check a recent bank statement, as these codes are often printed there. If you are still unsure, simply call Bank of America customer service. They can provide the correct code for your specific needs. Bank of America primarily uses a few key SWIFT codes. The most common one, often used for general international payments, is BOFAUS 3NXXX. For transfers specifically in United States dollars, you will typically use BOFAUS 3N. If you are receiving funds in a foreign currency, the code BOFAUS 6 is generally the appropriate one. Always confirm the exact code with your recipient or the bank to ensure accuracy. When dealing with SWIFT codes, accuracy is paramount. Always double-check the code with your recipient before sending any money internationally. Using an incorrect code, even by one character, can lead to your transfer being delayed by several days or weeks, or even returned. Taking a moment to verify all details, including the full 11-character code, will help ensure your funds reach their destination smoothly and without complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.